The power of love. Love is the most powerful force in the world. It has no limits, no boundaries. It can heal, inspire, and transform lives. Love is not just about romance. It's about kindness, understanding, and the way we treat one another. True love starts from within. If you don't love yourself, how can you fully give love to others? When you embrace who you are, you attract the right people into your life, people who respect, uplift, and support you. Love is also about action. It's in the small things, a kind word, a helping hand, a moment of patience. It's about showing up for others, even when it's inconvenient. The world doesn't need more hate, more division. It needs more love. And that starts with each of us. No matter what you've been through, love is always possible. It's a choice we make every day. Choose love over fear, over anger, over doubt. Because in the end, love is what truly matters. So go out today and spread love in any way you can. You never know whose life you might change with just a little kindness.